Putting me in a nice hero's pose, we're just going to do a little bit of breathing today just to reset and center yourself. So giving yourself a nice eyes closed, take a deep breath in, exhale, release, inhale deeply, exhale completely, inhale deeply. And on the exhale, allow your head to drop to the front, giving your spine a nice little curvature here. So take a nice big breath in. Exhale, pulling your neck over towards the left shoulder. Slowly circling it back behind. Inhale here. Exhale, rolling it over back into the front. Inhale, rise. Exhale, releasing in the middle. Inhale. Exhale over towards the right. Doing a few of these on your own. When you get back into the middle, bringing your hands out in front. Maybe you're a little bit on the inside of your thighs. Pressing your belly button into your spine and your back out as much as you can. Taking a nice inhale in here. Exhale. Sinking deeper. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale deeply. Open your mouth and let it out. And on the next inhale, bring your head up, chest up. And exhale out. Inhale, rise. Exhale, releasing. Bring your hands out. We're here, coming into a nice seedling position. Take a nice inhale in. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Exhale, let it go. Inhale deeply. Exhale, releasing all the heaviness that may be on your back right now. Taking your hands out wide, side. Take a nice inhale, we rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Inhale, rise and back up. Bring your hands behind you. Opening up the chest. Exhale, coming back down. Maybe you're twisting side to side here. Taking a big inhale in. Exhale, release. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale, last one, best one. Exhale completely. Coming over to the side that's most comfortable to you. Bring yourself into a nice easy pose. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely.